Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a group email in Outlook step by step. So you can easily email multiple people at once. So let's get started. So first of all, open your any browser and simply write Outlook. Now, if you are not signed in, you need to sign in first. Also, you can create a new account too. So after signing, this kind of interface will be open. So now you need to go on this people section, and here for a group, you need to tap on go to groups, click on new group. Here you need to give a group name. For an example, here I will give ABC, and here you need to write description about group. This for example only. You can give anything about it. Then simply click on create, and guys, our group is successfully created. Now you just need to add members. So I will add members. For an example, I will add this guy. Tap on add, and guys, our group is successfully created. So now here from this section you can compose a mail. From here you can give information about events, and from here you can add or remove members. Okay, so that's how you can create a group and compose a mail. This is email section, this is events, okay, and this is members. So now you know how to send a group email in Outlook quickly and easily. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.